wallpaper, you see here on the background of the desktop a picture will be seen. Let's see, this is the a mountain and a waterfall is flowing from the mountain. This is your desktop background, that is your wallpaper. Then what is taskbar? The longest bar that you see, this point to this point, this is known as your taskbar. In taskbar there are so many buttons. Let's see, this is the start button, this is the start button, this is Windows Internet Explorer button. There are several buttons are there. Let's see, this is the time button or date button, day button. Here you see 11th October 2020, time 4:47. Okay, this is the taskbar. In taskbar button, start button is there, then clock button is there, any installed information software is also there. Okay, here you see, this is the start button. When you click on the start button, the installed software will be displayed. Okay. Next come to the point, what are the icons? Actually icons are the small labeled pictures that appear on the desktop. Here you see, this is the icon, this is the icon. Here my computer is also icon, network, Google Chrome, then recycle bin. There are icons. Okay. Next, what is folder? Here you see, this is a folder. The name of the folder is new folder, and when you click, always remember when the folder is on the desktop, you have to double click on that folder. In single click that folder will not open, so you have to double click. Then there are so many files. These are the files in folder. Actual files are stored. Suppose you don't want to double click on that folder, so how you open the folder? Then on that folder you right click on that folder, then open, then you click on open. Automatically the folder will be displayed. Okay. Next, how we change the wallpaper? First you right click on that desktop. Okay, a menu will appear. These are the menu. Okay, then go to personalize, then I click on personalize button. Here you see the desktop background. Then you can change. Suppose that figure I want to change on my desktop background. Desktop background is also known as your wallpaper. Let's see. Earlier a other picture is there, but after changing the wallpaper, the new wallpaper will be displayed on your screen. Okay, this is your wallpaper. Okay students, I hope all of you understood what is the operating system, what are the functions of operating system. Actually without operating system, a system or a computer cannot run. You have also seen wallpaper, desktop background, taskbar, start button, icons. Okay, then folders, file, how to open folder. These are the folder. Suppose the folder is a my computer. In my computer, the information of drives, that is C drive, then D drive, then E drive, all the information are stored on the my computer. Suppose what is recycle bin? Actually all the deleted folders, files, photos, images, videos are stored on recycle bin. Suppose I want to delete the suppose cell. Here you can a file name is cell. Suppose I want to delete. Then I click on delete button. Then press yes. Let's see students. The deleted file will be automatically stored on recycle bin. When I double click on recycle bin, a cell file will be displayed. Let's see. Let's see cell. Again delete, yes, then you click on recycle bin. Let's see here cell, the file, the deleted file will be automatically transferred to recycle bin. Okay.